Welcome, in front of me is ASUS Chromebook C434, and in this video I will show you how to disable power saving mode on this laptop. In order to do this, you have to open the control center by clicking right here, then click on your battery level, then switch this toggle to the left, and this way you can disable your battery saver on the computer. But alternatively, you can just plug in your device to the power source, and while your device is plugged into the power source, the battery saver disables automatically. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.